In this short video, you are going to learn about the meaning of accounting. You will be understanding what is accounting. According to the American Institute of Certified Public Accountants, accounting is defined as the art of recording, classifying, and summarizing in a significant manner and in terms of money, transactions, and events which are in part at least of a financial character and interpreting the results thereof. Now let us try to understand in depth what is this art of recording, classifying, summarizing, and transactions and events which are in part at least of financial character. Firstly, why accounting is called as an art. The reason is accounting helps the user to ascertain the financial results, that is the operating results and financial position of the concern. So in order to analyze this, we require skill and expertise. So on those grounds, accounting is called as an art, where we require skills in analyzing and interpreting the accounting information. Secondly, classifying and summarizing. So classifying is a process of grouping the transactions and events which are of same type at a one place. So this is done by opening accounts. Separate accounts are opened, that we call it as ledger. And summarizing involves the preparation of statements and reports from the classified ledgers, from the classified accounts, which are useful to the management and the other interested parties. So this involves preparation of financial statements like profit and loss account and balance sheet. And then it is said that transactions and events which are in part at least of financial character and in terms of money transactions. It means that the common unit of measurement of business transaction is money. So accounting will record only those transactions which are measurable in terms of money, and those events or transactions which doesn't have the financial character, then those events or transactions are not accounted in the books of accounts. And finally, interpreting the results. So once after recording on the chronological order, classifying, summarizing, and preparation of the reports, finally the user need to interpret it. Maybe either the management, the creditors, suppliers, or internally the employees, and etc. So it is the art of interpreting the results of operations to determine the financial position of the enterprise, the progress it has made, and how well it is getting along. So students, this is the meaning of accounting. Thank you.